Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For a change, we would like to do this video in English. We have picked up a topic which is of great relevance across all walks of life and age group. Yes, we are talking about digital addiction, its impact and some remedial measures. India's smartphone penetration is highest in the globe in comparison with its absolute population numbers. The percentage have gone up from 23 to 46 percentage from the year 2016 to 2022. Moreover that, the pace at which we upgrade the feature phone to smartphone and from entry level smartphone to the higher level is uncomparable. The availability of low-cost handsets and internet made the journey comfortable for the customers. There is a metrics which uses to describe the usage of screen time, which called average screen time per user per day, which means the cumulative time spent on mobile screen, computer screen and TV screen. And the global average of screen time is 6 hours 58 minutes and that of India is 7 hours 18 minutes. And the younger generation or generation Z, people who born between 1997 to 2012, that is upwards of 9 hours. So what does this means? This means there is always a positive correlation between the age group and the average screen usage. The average median age of US and China will be 39 years respectively by the year 2030. That of Japan will be 49 years. Guess what is India's number? India's age, average median age will be 29 years. That means India will remain a relatively younger country. And there is a huge dependency on the smartphone devices for people to do the day-to-day jobs, watching movie, ordering food, etc. So mobile phones are becoming an indispensable device in their life. And COVID-19 has actually accelerated the pace of digital adoption. The AI-triggered bot ChatGPT, which got launched last November, already got a version update, a software upgrade, which is called ChatGPT 4. The actual job of software engineers is to write codes. Now the new reports say that ChatGPT can even write codes. So what can happen to the world one can imagine? In the entire digital world, there are lots of negative impact of digital addictions. So here tonight we are going to examine the top 6 impacts of digital addiction. The first part is that social isolation. People who always get connected in the virtual world often disconnect with the real world. I think they may not be in a position to maintain a balance between real life and real life. A second one, there is a phenomenon called context switching. When you handle multiple tasks and switching between multiple windows, applications, tools, the brain needs to adjust and refocus and take time to kind of get back to the natural flow of things. And frequent disruption, frequent changes can impact the productivity and potential of people. And the third major impact is of your physical health. When you're too much using the digital devices, it can affect your eyes get strained, your back pain, obesity, all this can happen. The fourth one is sleep deprivation. People get addicted to smart devices, always suffer this quality of sleep. And the fifth important point is that there is a research done in US comparing with the people who are addicted to social media and not addicted to this, and the observation was people who use more of a social media tend to seem more depressed, anxious than the people who use less of social media. There is always a tendency to imitate the lifestyle of others, and all of us know that in social media we always showcase that we are having a outstanding life than others. And other one is that the last one is that the demonstration of risky behavior. What does risky behavior means? People copy the profile of others, cyberbullying, online frauds and all these things. We are examining the negative aspects of digital addiction. Is there a solution to this? The answer is yes. We are recommending 6 simple solutions. If we take conscious effort to implement, it will help us to optimal usage of the devices. What are they? The first and foremost thing is that one has to remember that technology is a great enabler. Technology is not a solution. So people have to remember that your tools application will give you inputs, data, trends which needs to get processed. The second one is that we need to take some break from the screen space. In organization and your personal space, you could always take a fixed time break from your screen space. In organization, you could always inform your superiors also, and many organizations positively encouraging the screen break time. The third important point is the mindfulness. We need to practice mindfulness, which simply means that we need to live in the present. That means if you are surrounded with a group of friends, try to enjoy their company and engage with them other than connected virtually. The fourth part is that we need to turn off notification in your smartphone. At times we keep on getting various notifications, which is a major distractions. Other one is that we need to reduce the screen time before bed. What happens when you receive an email before we go to bed? You may actually close your eyes, but these thoughts will make you awake throughout. And the last one is that we will have a lot of apps and social media platform which uploaded in your smartphone. Always try to identify. We need to do something called a digital housekeeping. The apps which are not relevant, we could always delete. This may sound a simple approach and steps, but we need conscious effort to implement this. Let's make it a point that artificial intelligence do not dominate our natural stupidity. Thank you very much for watching this. One request, if you do not subscribe this channel yet, please do subscribe, and if you like the content, please do share with your friends and family. We will be coming back with an interesting video soon. Thank you very much.